guys, Samir here and welcome to Damn Fam. So Bleach is 21st century's one of the best manga and anime, even because of some stuff anime is not in making, but manga always on the top list of manga lovers. Recently manga just ended. Bleach manga is also in list of most sold manga ever. So today we are going to see 25 facts about Kubo's best work. First, the origin of the title. The name Bleach was chosen as a contrast to the black that the Shinigami in the series wear, as well as reference to the yin and yang, white on black motif. It can be seen as a metaphor for breaking away from societal rules and constructs which the main protagonist Ichigo Kurosaki seems to do quite regularly. Let's move the second fact. Snipe, Bleach first incarnation. When Kubo first created Bleach, he made Rukia the main character and armed her with a scythe while giving all the other characters guns. This original was work title Snipe, but after Kubo changed the weapons to swords, the title had to go as well. But you can still see Rukia with her scythe in the movie. Bleach fade to black. Third, Ichigo's name. While most think that Ichigo's name comes from the Japanese word for strawberry, the kanji for his name actually roughly translates to one who protects. Sounds like our Ichigo? Yes, absolutely. Fourth, the first character. The first character that Tite Kubo created in the series was not the main protagonist Ichigo, but the Shinigami Rukia Kuchiki. She was originally created when Kubo felt like drawing a Shinigami wearing a kimono. Fifth, Kenpachi's hairstyle. Captain Kenpachi Zaraki is easily one of the strongest and most violent of the Shinigami captains, and one of his most fearsome traits is his hair. He styles it in spikes every night after his bath, and he hangs bells on everyone individually. However, the top hair spikes is particularly tricky for him to reach, and it can take several hours for him to attach the bells. 6. Ichigo's fashion sense. When Kubo was in elementary school, he was fascinated by fashion design. So all of the design in Bleach are ones Kubo himself thought up. After Bleach came out, the shop Urahara Soten in Tokyo began to produce and sell shirts worn by Ichigo in the anime. 7. Theme songs. When Kubo draws for Bleach, he has hundreds of different CDs that he plays. Every character even has their own theme song. Ichigo's is News from the Front by Bad Religion. 8. The first Arankar. The first Arankar that Kubo created was Ulugera Cypher, whose theme song is Moonshield by In Flames. It makes sense that he is now a fan favorite. 9. Orihime's power. Orihime Inou's powers manifest themselves in her blue, flower-shaped hairpins. Despite their cute appearance, these pins are the forms of 6 powerful fairies. The Shunshunrika, 6 flowers of the hibiscus shield, who are all named after different flowers. Ayame or Iris, Bygone or Ume, Hinagiku or Desi, Lily, Shun, Shunau or Althea, and Subaki or Camellia. 10. Initial rejection. When Kubo first proposed Bleach as a series for the Shonen Jump magazine, it was rejected. But Akira Toriyama, the creator of Dragon Ball, wrote a letter to Kubo to encourage him to continue this story. Now let's move to the 11th fact. The original Ichigo. Kubo originally designed Ichigo to have a more classic nerdy appearance, wearing glasses and without the orange hair. But after creating Ichigo's dark storyline, Kubo decided that it would be better to make the ginger delinquent we know and love today. 12. Renji's accessories. Renji Habarai is probably one of the most fashionable Shinigami in Bleach. From his hair to his tattoos, he is out to make a statement. He also often sports expensive sunglasses from the Sereti's popular shop Jintombo. Though they are often broken in battle, he dreams of one day wearing fashionable goggles of his own design. 13. Poor Kon. Kubo was inspired to create the character Kon after witnessing a young boy throw away a cheap stuffed toy his father had brought him instead of a more expensive version. Since Kon is an enhanced full mark for elimination, this idea fits rather nicely with the cute stuffed lion in the series. 14. Chad's tattoo. Though Yasutora Chad Sado is supposed to be of a Mexican descent, the tattoo on his left shoulder reads Amore e Morte, which means love and death in Italian. 15. More music. Bleach has over 15 opening theme songs, and all of its theme songs and soundtracks were arranged by the famous Shiro Sagisu, who also composed the music for Neon Genesis Evangelion. 16. Languages in Bleach. Kubo uses different languages for the different races in Bleach because of the way they sound to him. For instance, he uses Spanish for the Arankar because it sounds passionate, and German for the Quincy's for its more methodical tone. 17. Some sensitive race issues. Kubo had originally named the character Yoruichi Shio in Koreneko, which literally translates to Black Cat. However, because of the threat of sparking racial debate, Kubo decided to change her name to Yoruichi. 18. Passion for architecture. Kubo has been known to admire architecture and other structural designs. So many of the Espada's names stem from those of famous architects. For instance, Ulycura's name comes from the name of the famous furniture designer Patricia Urquiola. 19. Uryu's pet peeve. In addition to being the last Quincy, Uryu Ishida is also a master craftsman, known for his sewing prowesses. Despite his talent for making clothes, for some reason he hates buttons. 20. Fillers. Because the anime version of Bleach cut out so many earlier arcs of the manga in order to reach the Soul Society arc, many key character relations more simply glossed over or lost completely. Even worse, because the anime accelerated so far ahead of the manga, it's required more filler episodes, which is what ultimately caused Bleach to consist of 45% filler episodes. 21. When Kubo was in elementary school, he was fascinated by designs and architecture. Kubo designed all pieces of clothing in Bleach around what he would like to buy. Ichigo's shirts have even been manufactured and sold as real products in the shop Urahara Sotan in Tokyo. 22. Masaki's English voice actress Eileen Stern is married to Zangetsu's English voice actor Richard Epcar, which is kind of ironic as just when Misaki was revealed to have been a Quincy, Zangetsu was revealed to be a personification of Ichigo's Quincy's powers. Being a Quincy, Zangetsu was Quincy's powers, taking the image of Yahweh 1000 years ago. 23. Bambietta got the nickname Buster Bine because of her notorious cruelty. 24. Tite Kubo received thousands of letters regarding Ulycura's death. He never declared whether or not Ulycura was actually dead. Or until now, Bleach is just ended, but no one knows that Ulycura really dead or not. Or we will be waiting if Tite Kubo will make a spin-off manga on Ulycura. 25th and the last one finally you are waiting for in the French Bleach fandom. Hitsuga is known as La Crevette, meaning the shrimp, obviously referencing his height. So guys, here you have your 25 facts about the our best and below manga Bleach, which is just recently ended. So comment below what facts do you know about Bleach, and also what facts you want in next video. If you love Bleach, then like this video and subscribe for more videos like this, and as always I will see you in the next one.